Hello everyone, welcome to TechTed.com. In this lecture, we will be going through basically the concepts of flow control. Okay, so what I must mention here is we will not be covering all the basics. We will just go through the important points of flow control. Okay, so that we can solve problems on it, right? So to start with, under this flow control we are going to study stop and wait. Okay, so I'll write it in short, stop and wait. Then we will study go back in, so let's write it GBN. And we will also cover selective repeat, so it will be SR. Okay, now here stop and wait, as name suggests, it will send the message. So sender will send the message, then stop and will wait for the acknowledgement. Okay, this GBN is in can be sometimes given as some number. So for example, it can be sometimes it can be GB6. Okay, so it means go back 6. Okay, so this 6 is basically given to you is the window size. Okay, fine. Here selective repeat is like you need not to repeat all the frames, you just need to repeat only those packets which has been lost. Okay, so this is selective repeat here. So we will just cover quickly the important points regarding all these three kind of flow control, right? So to start with, in stop and wait protocol we only have two sequences. Okay, so only two sequence number. Okay, in GBN and SR we can have sequence number greater than 2, so let's write it down SEQ for now. Okay, or we also write it like AS, an available sequence number. Okay, similarly here also let's write it down ASN for now. And here in case of stop and wait, the sender window size, that is SW, is equal to receiver window size, right? So let's write it down, WS, window size of S is equal to window size of receiver, which is equal to 1, right? So it's always the size of window is equal to 1 for stop and wait, right? So just one packet is sent, then wait for the acknowledgement, then another packet is sent. Fine. Here in case of go back in, the window size of receiver, the window size of receiver is equal to how much? 1, right? And the window size of sender would be how much? So if this is the available sequence number, the window size of sender will be ASN minus 1, right? So here there is a trick. Most of the students I have seen make some mistake here. So it is, this is ASN, right? Available sequence number. This is different from what? Maximum sequence number. Maximum sequence number. Okay, so this is different from maximum sequence number. So let's say if I have sequence number from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, so ASN would be how much? ASN would be equal to 8. This ASN is number of sequence numbers. Okay, so which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, as it is starting from 0, so it is maximum plus 1. But what would be maximum sequence number here? Maximum sequence number would be equal to 7. Okay, so don't get confused here. Okay, one more important point here regarding this window size is this window size of receiver plus window size of sender is less than or equal to ASN, okay, available sequence numbers. Okay, so it is maximum, the sum of these two window sizes equal to the maximum equal to this available sequence number. And as we know, this is receiver, this is sender, so receiver window size is always equal to 1 in case of GBN. Okay, so in this case the packets will be always received in order. Okay, another important point to mention here regarding this GBN protocol is this GBN always uses cumulative acknowledgement. Okay, so what is cumulative acknowledgement? It won't be sending acknowledgement for each packet received. Okay, so it will send the acknowledgement for 2-3 packets received simultaneously. So let's say if I just tell you quickly, so if packet 1 is sent, 2 is sent, 3 is sent, okay, so it will just send ACK4. Okay, it won't send for these two, so it is understood that the receiver is waiting for packet number 4. Okay, all the 3 are received, so this is called cumulative acknowledgement. Okay, and GBN uses cumulative acknowledgement. Right, let's talk about selective repeat now. So this stop and wait is very easy, so let's focus on GBN and selective repeat. So in case of selective repeat, they uses as we just studied that this GBN uses cumulative acknowledgement, but in selective repeat they uses independent acknowledgement. Okay, now next thing is that what would be the window size for this selective repeat. So window size in both, for both sender, that is WS, is equal to WR. Okay, and which is equal to how much? This available sequence number upon 2, right? So if you have been given the bits, in terms of bits, the size of window, then it will be 2 to the power 2 to the power, it will be equal to 2 to the power n minus 1. Well, so other things we will solve in numericals, which you can see down below this video in form of examples, and maybe we will solve some problem in video format too. So in stop and wait, mostly it is asked to find out the efficiency. So if we quickly revise, what is efficiency? Efficiency is equal to useful time upon total time, right? Upon total time. So what is useful time? What is total time? So useful time is the amount of time which is used to transmit the data. Okay, so this is transmission time, that is, or you can say transmission delay. Transmission delay upon this transmission delay which I have written here, plus propagation delay. Okay, propagation delay, but 2 into propagation delay, right? So propagation delay is what? From sender to receiver a packet travels, so a packet will travel like this, then an acknowledgement will come, right? So one propagation delay it will take from here to sender to receiver, then another propagation delay it will take for acknowledgement to reach from this receiver to this sender, right? So it will be 2 into this. Fine. So well, there are a lot of things to cover, but as we have less time, so we will try to solve problems and we will try to learn the things. Okay, So let's solve problem in the next video. Thanks for watching.